Hi everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can invert the colors on your iPhone 14 series device. First of all, you gotta launch Settings, then enter the Accessibility category. In here, go for the Display and Text Size section, and then just turn on either the Classic Invert or the Smart Invert, whatever invert you were looking for in particular. As you can see, the regular one just reverses the colors of the display, and while at the same time the Smart Invert option will reverse the colors of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. So choose whatever option fits your needs best, but that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.